Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create folder, create subfolder and assign images from your media library to them. By default, the WordPress media library look like this. We can view in grid view and then we also can view in list view. What you need is this plugin, Firebird. The free version support up to 10 folder or subfolder. Personally, I think the free version will do if you do not have a very large site. And then the free version also support Elementor, also support Visual Composer. That's quite nice. But if you are using the Divi theme and the Divi builder, you need to upgrade to the Pro version. The Pro version is here. I will put all the link into the video description. The Pro version already sold almost 7,000 copy and then got a 5-star review. It's quite nice. So let's proceed. Let me activate this. The Firebird. Okay, already activated. Let me preview the media library again. So you see, we will have a extra section here. So for my case, because this demo is a shopping chart, so let's say right now I want to group the images using the product category, like this one, the seafood and caviar. I have 48 there. So I want to create a folder. Okay, so the folder already there. Okay, so let's say I want to move the images there. Move the images that this view is the images. Okay, this view is the images. For your info, if you click on the grid view, you only can move one images per shot. So if you want to move many images with a single shot, so you have to do it in this view. Let's say this 4. Right now, I click this 4, this 5. I move it here. So you see have 5 images there. So right now you see the uncategory is 118, already deduct 5. Another great function that I love is this one. Let me find for you. I can't remember where is it. Oh, okay, this one under the setting Firebird. If you have a multi-user site, you can also assign your user his own folder. All you need to do is just enable this function here. And then another right now I would like to show you something. Let's say I create a post, create a pages or post. Publish. The reason I want to create a new pages is I want to show you that this plugin is 100% compatible with Visual Composer. Right now you see I'm using Visual Composer. So let's say I add a image block there. You see this one image block there. This one I put full. So the image align center. So the rest I can leave it blank. So let's say you see this one. If I want to upload a image, I can choose something from here. No? I can choose the category that I already created just now. I add the new images into here, or the media library. I can filter by category, and then I can choose the images directly from here. Same with media gallery. Let's say this one. Okay, I choose 4 elements per row. And then I just filter the category just now. I choose 4 images. Save. Let me preview it for you to have a look. You see, everything is here already. So personally, I think this plugin is very useful if you have a large site. Okay, thank you.